UUKI is a modern community tool where like-minded members may share material and engage in meaningful discussions. Web3 fans interested in NFTs, cryptocurrencies, educational courses, and products can form communities. Create community pages where you may submit content and start discussions to keep your community organized. You can also earn money by offering premium content for one-time payments or collecting subscription fees from paying customers. Because the tool is created for Web3, it can interact with cryptocurrency wallets such as MetaMask, which is a big plus for cryptocurrency users. The platform allows creators to display NFTs generated on other blockchains, including Ethereum and Polygon, and you can even build a community based on NFTs. What is UUKI? UUKI is a modern community platform designed for people who want to engage in insightful discussions and share content relating to the topics that interest them. UUKI helps creators build online communities for Web3 enthusiasts who may be interested in NFTs, cryptocurrencies, educational courses, and products. You can also make money by selling premium content via one-time payments or subscriptions to paid sites. The platform allows sellers to show their original digital items that were created using a different platform. It also lets them have an exclusive community made up of trusted members. Let's not forget that you could also start your own NFTs collectibles business in the form of digital artworks. Then you're surely building an online community for dedicated audiences. You can completely change the way your pages look by changing their subdomain, font styles, and colors. Reward top contributors with gamified elements like leaderboards and ranks. Build a community and share UUKI key features. Using UUKI, you can build a relationship with your brand content and discussions by publishing the most valuable pieces of information that you think will best push you to the next level. Build community. Use UUKI to improve your brand's relationship with your audience, allowing them to build a closer bond through insight into your brand's content and discussions surrounding that content. Mobile-friendly. If you look at most modern audiences, they are smartphone users, so designing a responsive platform is vital for making functionality simple for all users. Events host. UUKI is the perfect tool for event planners who want to hold their event to be a success. Using UUKI, you can create an attractive profile page for your event and invite people from your network on LinkedIn to attend. Once they register, you'll have access to their data, such as their email address, so you can send them updates straight from your LinkedIn account itself. You can also sell tickets for your events through UUKI. Easily set up a community platform. You can turn UUKI into UUKI, no problem. UUKI Education. Add a community to your course hosted on an LMS or any course platform to help your students learn from each other and have direct interaction with you. The students are engaging in social learning. They're collaborating, communicating, interacting with each other both within the classroom and with you. NFT or crypto. Provide your users with a good dedicated home to feel unified across all of the different applications that use NFTs. Customers, app developers, and token holders alike will appreciate this as a means to interact directly with your team about upcoming projects you're working on. Product. If your customers are going to thrive with your product, then they need enough space in terms of information and resources. You need to give them the right kind of online environment to reliably ask you questions and experience exactly what your company promises. Premium. Education. Add a community to your course hosted on an LMS or any course platform to help your students learn from each other and have direct interaction with you. The students are engaging in social learning. They're collaborating, communicating, and interacting with each other both within the classroom and with you. NFT or crypto. Provide your users with a good, dedicated home to feel unified across all of the different applications that use NFTs. Customers, app developers, and token holders alike will appreciate this as a means to interact directly with your team about upcoming projects you're working on. Product. If your customers are going to thrive with your product, then they need enough space in terms of information and resources. You need to give them the right kind of online environment to reliably ask you questions and experience exactly what your company promises. UUKI offers the ability to host and create a community that is paid, premium with the ability to charge for digital goods. Startup. Build an engaged community with our help. Easily set up UUKI on your website within a couple of hours and start getting traffic to your site soon afterward. Influencer communities. Already have a community? Moving to UUKI and using our white label solution will give you the chance to build your relationship with them directly. UUKI Lifetime Deal Features Overview. You can also use NFTs to market your art collection and create an online community for loyal fans. To promote your brand, you can white label community pages by utilizing your brand colors, a custom domain, or integrating directly with your website or product. Because not everyone will share the same interests, you can make talks public or private to keep them on track. It also has extensive administration and moderation capabilities to keep communities secure from spam, abuse, and detrimental posting. You may also use gamified components like karma, ranks, and leaderboards to recognize top contributors and express your gratitude for their contributions. It was built with mobile in mind. You may use your phone, laptop, tablet, or smart TV to access your community. It ensures that you may connect with your community and keep the conversation going no matter where you are. Create a white-label Web3 community for audiences to interact and discuss topics such as NFTs and cryptocurrency. Circle, Mighty Networks, and Facebook groups are also alternatives. Sell content via one-time or recurring payments to monetize your community. Web3 creators, brands, and enterprises who want to create online communities where members can connect and collaborate are the best candidates. Members and storage are both unlimited. There are no restrictions on public spaces, management of events, reporting and moderation. Pages dedicated to personal profile. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to UUKI today. One-time purchase of $99 only.